One of the interesting aspects to lubricant maintenance and testing programs is that if there's safety systems involved, it's very easy to not spend money for routine maintenance on a regular system. But as soon as there's safety involved, well, obviously the criticality combined with the safety, there's just no tolerance for poor maintenance or testing. One thing that we do find though, some of these systems in power stations, for example, EHC control systems, which govern how much steam is getting into the turbine and where, there's some very important safety systems that can also be powered by that same hydraulic system. And these would include the overspeed protection system. If the turbine was ever in a state of instability, it has to be safely shut down. If that control system isn't stable, that safety or that emergency overspeed protection system could fail. And we have seen occurrences where they do fail and results in a $200 million failure. So when you're looking at EHC fluid maintenance in perspective, there is other very important safety systems, and there's really no tolerance for substandard maintenance and testing. In the nuclear environment, it even goes up a couple notches from there because the safety stop systems, which basically are used to shut down the reactor, are also controlled by the same system. And if that valve, it's probably the size, I bet you it's about 2 feet by 2 feet, and it doesn't move, and it never moves, that valve. So this is the worst case scenario for a valve in a dirty oil system. Where do you think this lubricant contamination is going to be deposited? Where do you think it's going to accumulate? It's going to accumulate right at that area, and you don't want that. And because of the lack of movement or the lack of flow in that system, it's really problematic to clean. So you can avoid the whole thing by just having a fully implemented maintenance program from the beginning, and then you don't have to worry about that at all. So just another interesting aspect to it's more than just a control system in some cases. It actually directly impacts the safety of the power plant.